Something to talk about the power of multimedia in education. Have you tried learning something new by just reading a textbook? It can feel dry, overwhelming, or even boring. Now imagine learning the concept of through a fun video, interactive animation, or a podcast. That's the power of multimedia. Multimedia combines text, audio, images, animation, and video to communicate information more effectively. For students, this is just a cool tech. It's a game changer. Why? Engagement. Students are more likely to stay interested when lessons are dynamic. A well-designed video or animation grab attention far more than a wall of text. 2. Better understanding. Complex topics can be broken down into simpler visuals or interactive elements, making them easier to understand and remember. And 3. Multiple learning styles. Not everyone learns the same way. Some students learn best by listening, others by watching, and some by doing. Multimedia cover all bases. So in short, multimedia doesn't just make learning more fun. It makes it more effective. It brings lesson to life, helps students connect with content, and prepares them for a future where digital communication is everywhere.